Now I believe that you are familiar with all trigonometric ratios. Okay, now I want to show you something different today. Now this is one triangle. What type of triangle this is?
Scalene triangle.
Right, it is a scalene triangle. Can I draw one perpendicular here? Now, okay, before that, if this angle is A, this length of this BC will be A, small letter.
Yes.
For this angle, AC is the side which is opposite to B. Can I write this is B?
Yes.
The length of AC. Similarly, AB is the side which is opposite to angle C, so the length is C.
Yes.
Right? Now you can see this is total length is what? A.
Yes.
Consider this length. I am taking X. Then what will be this length? Total length is A. So this is X. Then can you tell me how can I express this length? A minus X.
Ooh.
Got clear idea?
Yes.
Total is A. If this is X, then this length will be what? A minus X.
Yes.
Any question?
No question.
Now this is a small triangle, right angle triangle. So this is a small triangle, right angle triangle. This angle is what? B. Okay, anyway, this length is X, this is C, and consider this is H, right? Similarly, this triangle I am writing here, this is the triangle, right angle triangle.
Yes.
This is what? A minus X, this is what? H, and B. Any question? No question. So, in this right angle triangle, all of you know Pythagoras theorem you are applying for right angle triangle. So then can you tell me, according to this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, this is base. So then can I write C square which is equal to H square plus X square? Any question? So, next, if I want, we can subtract, but for your, okay, anyway, let me write H square is equal to C square minus X square. H square equal to C square minus X square. Okay, let us consider this is equation 1 because we got from this triangle. Now, if I go to that triangle, B square is equal to, tell me quickly.
H square
Plus A minus X whole square. B square which is equal to H square, then plus A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. Are you with me? So similarly, if I write H square, can I write B square minus A square minus X square plus 2AX? Are you with me? Because I want H square, everything I change to this side. And equating A square negative, X square negative, 2AX positive. Right? So this is your equation 2. Right? Now you can see in equation 1, H square equal to C square minus X square. And in equation 2, H square equal to so and so. Can I equate both equation 1 and 2?
Yes, please.
Right. So then let me erase all this thing first. Therefore, I can write C square minus X square which is equal to B square minus A square minus X square plus 2x. Am I right? B square minus A square minus X square plus 2x. Let me clean this one. Right? Now, I want to eliminate what? Minus X square minus X cancel both the sides. So then, finally, can I write B square as a subject? If I want to make B square as a subject, B square equal to what? A square plus C square minus 2AX. Are you with me? Okay. Now again let us consider this triangle. This is X, this is C, and this is H. Right? So if I take these two relationships, this side is what? For this angle is B. Okay. For this angle, these two relationships, what I can write? For this adjacent side, hypotenuse. Adjacent side, hypotenuse. Cos. Okay. So can I write cos B which is equal to X upon C?
Yes.
Right? So then if I want X, can I write C into cos B? Right? So now B square which is equal to A square plus C square minus 2A. In place of X, what I can write? C of. Did you understand? So then B square which is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. Okay. And this is your cosine rule. What do you call it? Cosine rule. This is your cosine rule. Similarly, if you draw perpendicular from B upon AC, or if you draw perpendicular from C upon AB, you can get the other relationship. I am going to write here. You will get A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. B square equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B, and C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
B square, A square, C square, 2AC cos B. Right? So these all three relationships are called cosine. Are you with me? But you have two choice, not choice, many choices. Either you can write in this form, or if I want only cos A, how can I write? This is a negative. If I want to make this one as the subject, can I write 2BC cos A, which is equal to what? This is I have to interchange both the side. B square plus C square minus A square. Then if I want only cos A, can I write that side? Can I write 2BC in the 2BC?
Yes.
Okay. So if you want cos A, you can write in this form. Similarly, if you want cos B, you know how to write. Similarly, if you want cos C, then you can write. So you can write in this form or in this form. Both are allowed, but you should know how to apply in mathematics. Okay. So this is the derivation of what? Cosine rule. And let us go to see the application. How to apply.
Yay.
Any question? No question. Now I will give you an example how to apply the application of cosine. Consider this angle is 60 degree, right? And this is 8 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. And find out the side of length of this side. Can you find out? So now this is A, means you have to find out A. Or A is what? This one? Yeah. So then can you put this value? Can you use this relationship? A square equal to B square plus C square. So what is the value of, let me write here. A how much? X, we don't know. B how much? 8. B how much? 8. B 10. C 8. Okay. Then you know angle A, right? So then we have to use this relationship. So A square, X square, which is equal to B square, 10 square, plus C square, 8 square, minus 2 into B, 10, C, 8 into cos A, means cos 60 degree. 60 degree? Right? Now X square, me quickly, 100 plus 64 minus 160 into cos 60 degree, how much? 0.5? 0.5. Now can you use your calculator and tell me the final values? 164, let me write here, x square is equal to 164 minus 160 into 0.5, how much? 80. 160 into 0.5. 80. Now x square is equal to 164 minus 80, how much? 84. Then if you want x, then you have to find out the square root of 84. How much? 9.16. Are you sure? Yes. 9.16. So this is the way you have to use the cosine rule in your mathematics. Now let us go for one more example.